Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today, we're making a balloon-powered car that moves without a battery. Ready? Let's start. We need a balloon, a straw, bottle caps, tape, a piece of cardboard, and small sticks.
We will explain how it works.
When we blow air into the balloon and then let it go, the air rushes out and the balloon moves forward. The wheels are ready? Attach the straw to the balloon with tape. Now it's time for air. Look at the magic. When the air escapes from the balloon, it pushes backward and the car moves forward.
That's Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
Wow! Science is amazing! You can make your own balloon car. How far can yours go? Try the challenge. Measure it, experiment, and become a STEM star. Next time, we'll learn about balance and weight with a fun seesaw experiment. Let's go! STEM stars! Subscribe the Glee Gather. Next episode, Balance Challenge.